Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are good. I welcome you again to an interesting DIY video where we are going to show you how to make these lovely designs. And yes, you're going to enjoy it as soon as you make it. So just grab your sketch pens and make it look like this. Just color it further and you will be amazed to see the result. Now take the impression of your hand, make an oval shape and then get the lines in this manner, and from the bottom you need to get it attached in this way. Now you need to make the lines like this and then get it attached. Make another lines, intersecting lines like these, and then in the end you just need to make it look like this. Isn't it pretty amazing to make it look colorful? Now again proceeding in this manner, you just have to make the hair like this, and then on a printed pencil here we have created a beautiful lovely scenery of a beautiful girl laughing in the middle, and then you can make the dress look further in this way and then get it attached like this. And here we have created a beautiful lovely scenery. Make the plant like this and the water bucket besides her. Pretty cool, right? Now you need to make the dots like these, and let's see, with the help of the marker you need to make the pinky and bluish lines along these, and you can make the orange one as well and get it attached like these with the help of stems. Now you need to make the leaves like this. Here also you have to make the leaves with the help of the crayons further and make your garden look lovely. Keep on proceeding and let's see what are we going to doodle now. Here also we have created a picture of a girl, and then here make the dress of the girl and then the hands in this manner, get it in this pattern as if she is dancing, and here you need to make the legs part in this manner, and here we have created a beautiful lovely string. And now you just make a beautiful lovely creature like this up, and it is gonna look super amazing, isn't it? Now take a paper, make a shape like this. Now let's see what are we gonna do next. Here on the top of it you need to make the leaves like this, get it arranged, and in the middle also what you need to do, you need to arrange it in this pattern. Let's see what are we going to do next. Here also you need to make it in this manner. Yes, isn't it looking pretty cool? Now let's see what are we gonna look. You need to just spread the impressions in this way and get it attached like this, and your scenery is definitely ready. Now let's see what are we gonna do next. Here also you need to make this shape creature, shape of a beautiful lovely girl, and here you need to make it look like this in this map pattern. Make the lines and make the hands and get it attached and colored. Now let's see here also what we are going to do. Just make the pattern look like this and get it attached in this manner. And yes, here we have created a beautiful cute structure like this, and here we have created a beautiful lovely scenery. Just get it colored. On another sheet of paper, get the colored sketch pens, and then you need to make the dress in this manner and get it arranged, and you need to just color it further and get the shape like this. Pretty cool.